How to update payment methods in Shake Shack account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your payment info for faster checkout, well here is how to do it on the Shake Shack website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here you can simply log in with your account and once logged in, you need to simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select payment methods from the menu. And there you'll see your saved cards and to update one you can just click edit and change the details and save it. And there to remove a card you can just click remove and if you want to add a new card then you can just click add payment method and after that you simply have to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV and billing address and then click on save. And here, with that, just a pro tip is that you should keep at least one valid card saved to speed up checkout and apply rewards automatically. And that's it. That's how you can update payment methods in the Shake Shack account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.